Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. So usually screen flickering is happening due to the brightness level on our device, so we can either adjust the brightness level in here in the control settings in the control center of our device, or we can also go to settings and select display. Then in display go to your brightness level and first of all disable adaptive brightness, as it will change the brightness of your device automatically all the time, which is not what we're trying to achieve. And try manually adjusting your brightness level in here until the screen flickering is gone. If it's not helping you, then check for software updates. But to check for software updates, first of all, we're gonna have to make sure that we are connected to the Wi-Fi. Then go to System, select Advanced System Updates, let your device check for software updates, and if you do have an update, then let your smartphone install it, and then restart, and then see if the problem goes away after that. And if it doesn't, then we can achieve the wider range of possible possible screen dimming using the screen dimmer application. It is a third-party application from an app store, from the Play Store, and this way we can adjust our brightness even more if the regular brightness level isn't helping us achieve this or resolve this screen flickering. So in order to download and install the screen dimmer app, open the Google Play Store. Okay, I have recently reset my phone, so I'm gonna have to reset up the Play Store. Okay, so once you are here, search for the screen dimmer. Now find this application from REWHEX. Tap install. Wait until this app is installed. It's tiny, so it's gonna install fast. Tap open. Next, then select grant permission. Switch this toggle to the right. Go back to the app. Next, I've missed one permission, but it's not a problem. All we have to do is tap grant permission right here, then select screen dimmer, use screen dimmer. Then that's pretty much enough. Okay, and now to enable the screen dimmer, we have to switch this toggle to the right. And now we can adjust our device's brightness from the actual minimum to the actual maximum of our screen's possibilities, and this way remove the screen flickering from our device. And that's basically it. That's the solution to your issue. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.